Start.
We have four types of vintage kanta with us. This is the light weighted and the cheapest version. Second is this little bit thinner kanta work and the bit higher with the vintage looking. Third is very vintage look, bit expensive also. And the fourth is kanta on that indigo work, block printing work has been done. This is the stock which we generally already put with us. This is indigo, this is regular kanta. This is the block printed rugs. Our main hand is the cotton block printed, and the indigo in the trending nowadays. We are making 2x3, 4x6, 6x8 and all the sizes if it's required by you. This is the new print kanta. Printing is the new, kanta work is also new, and any size can be customized. We can make the throw, bed cover, table cover, colds out of this. These are the block printed bed sheets. Block printed bed sheets and the doho. All completely block printed. As we told you, 45 years of experience makes us able to make anything for you. This is all the kanta work in the different painted page. This is the new print kanta in the different prints. All the above, it's animal figures. We can make any type of animal figure in any size. Here are the chindi rugs. As we believe in the upcycled and recycled, this is the upcycled products made from the leftover cotton, and on that the block printing work has been done. We have made in the mixed color, and we can provide you in the single colors also. Above are the quills. This is all this is block printed quilts. We can make 90 by 108 and 60 by 90. There are many color options and many designs in this. This is all the indigo fabric, and this is all the printed fabric for you. Cut. Here you can see all the quilting jackets. We can make any size, and we have many patterns. This is the printed, the indigo one, without sleeve, and silk, many more patterns. This is all the kantas. This is all the vintage embroidery patch, the table cover, wall hanging, in the different sizes we can make it for you. There are so many types in this. This is the most popular product, the mandalas. Once it was very popular. We have many designs in this, the single and the double size. We are making poofs also nowadays in these designs. The next is the wrap-on, the magic skirts, which is called the skirts which you can wear like 100 ways to wear of this. Here is all the silk kanta scarf. You can see the quality, the thickness and the soft touch also. I have in the four types of this I have. This is silk kanta full size. One is the half size. Then I have this patchwork full size and the half size. This is one is the very unique thing. Very few people have this. This is on the patola silk. This is the hand woven silk. On the hand woven silk, the kanta work has been done. And there is one other, that's a different type of kanta in the round and the square shape. We have always ready stock for this product. These are the throws, all the hand woven khadi fabric. On that English color has been done. We have types in this. This is without kanta. This is throw with the kanta work. Throw with the tie-dye work. With the block printing work. And this is throw with the embroidery work done on this. We have also made the cushion cover in this type. There is cushion cover with the kanta work. The next we have the puffs. The puff in the embroidery, mixed embroidery, the patch, the round shape. We have many sizes in this, and we have made a separate PPT with all these. Cut the vintage kanta with the patchwork and in the double bed cover size 220 to 60 in the double bed size. Then this is the patch with the silk kanta fabric. Silk kanta patch and backside is the cotton. In this type of work we have done the mixing of the two work. One is the applique, the little cut work, and on that block printing work has been done. This is also applique with the ajrak, the hand block work, the very fine piece. With the very rich new kanta work with the round and different shape. We have made in the many colors, in the blue, black and single thread also. Cut. This is the kanta work with the hand woven silk, that's called patola. We can give you in the same tone to tone and the mixed patch also. This is popular design nowadays, that's the Freda Kahlo. The cut work, the kanta work, in any size we can make, and there are 10 to 20 colors also. This is the same kanta work with the bricks design with the stone wash. We also have the printed stone wash, and the 50 by 70, 60 by 90 sizes can be customized as per buyer's requirement. Okay, this is our one of the selective pieces, that's ajrak with the mirror work. The mirror work is very old from our Barmer region. It's very expensive nowadays, but it's very popular till now. It's ajrak, the hand block work, and on that the hand mirror work. This is the machine embroidery work, the Suzani work. This is from the machine embroidery. We have cushion cover in this, bed cover in the double and single. It can be used as the wall hanging. This is made from the vintage Pakistani fabric. The small patches has been joined and then has been used for the walls. We can make any sizes. We have made the cushion covers also in this. This is from the mandala fabric. We have made these puffs. We can make the puffs and the floor cushion. Now I am showing you some of the types of cushion cover which I am doing. This is the machine embroidery. This made from the silk kanta. From silk kanta, the very rich hand embroidery work made from the hand. Cushions from the block printing. In the canvas fabric, the printed one. Block printing, indigo with the kanta. Mixed patch, Khambalia. Khambalia with the elephant shape. The only printed, we have many prints with us. Pillow covers in the silk kanta. pillow covers in the hand embroidery, canvas printed pillow cover, and the very shiny, the different color. Now I am showing you some designs of the embroidery flow cushion. This is the pumpkin, fashionable. This is the another design. Again pumpkin in the different color. Mandala, peacock design, bandhani design, in the same design, in the same different color. Mandala, the peacock design in the different color, in the solid one color, the different design. And if you want to customize any design, that can be done for you. We can make the flow cushion in this, puffs, ottomans, the chokies, the wooden chokies, any size, anything can be customized as per your buyer's requirement.